Welcome to the lecture on Triple SC FACS controller. Triple SC means static synchronous series compensator. So the simple definition of Triple SC, it is a static synchronous generator which is operated without an external electric energy source as a series compensator whose output voltage is in quadrature with and controllable independently of the line current, for the purpose of increasing or decreasing the overall reactive voltage drop across the line and thereby controlling the transmitted electric power. Now, what do you mean of this triple SC? It is a, see the simple diagram of triple SC here, right? So it is a series controller, therefore it is connected between the transmission line. So it can control the line current by injecting the voltage into the transmission line. So the triple SC, sometimes it is also called the SQC, is a series connected synchronous voltage source that can vary the effective impedance of a transmission line by injecting the voltage containing an appropriate phase angle in relation to the line current. So triple SC injecting the voltage into the transmission line. And so by injecting the voltage, you can control the line current and the effective impedance of a transmission line. It has the capability of both extending the real and reactive power with the transmission system. If the injected voltage it is in phase with the line current, then the triple SC voltage would extend the real power. And if the injected voltage it is in quadrature with the line current, then the reactive power either absorbed or generated would be exchanged. So the triple SC it is a more beneficial compared to the TCSC because of its ability to not only modulate the line reactance but also the line resistance in the conjunction with the power swings, thereby imparting enhanced damping to the generators that contribute to the power oscillation. So this is the four-quadrant diagram of a triple SC. So if your injected voltage and the line load current it is in first phase, at that time the triple SC supplies the real power and absorbs the reactive power. If it is present in a second quadrant, at that time triple SC absorbs the real and reactive power. If it is present in a third quadrant, then triple SC absorbs the real power and supplies the reactive power. And if it is in fourth quadrant, then triple SC supplies the reactive power and reactive power. So this is a simple basic understanding how the triple SC is work. So now we learn about the operation of a triple SC. So the triple SC comprises a multi-phase voltage source converter with a DC energy storage control as shown in this figure. The controller is connected in series with the transmission line. So the operating modes of the triple SC, it is graphically illustrated by this diagram, right? So the series capacitor compensates the transmission line inductance by presenting a lagging quadratic voltage with respect to the transmission line current. This voltage acts as in opposition to the leading quadratic voltage, which is appearing across the transmission line inductance, which has a net effect of reducing the line inductance. So similar is the operation of an triple SC that also inject a quadratic voltage, which is called the VC, into the transmission line. So VC is calculated using this equation. VC is equal to minus JKXIL, where I is your load current, X is your line reactance, and K is your degree of compensation. So the current in line compensated at its midpoint by the triple SC, it is given by IL is equal to 2V sine delta by 2 by X plus VC by X. Why it is delta by 2? Because it is calculated at the midpoint of the transmission line. So here the V is your magnitude of voltage. Delta, it is your angular difference between the line. So corresponding the line power flow effective line power flow P is equal to VIL cos delta by 2. Or again, if we put the value of IL, then the equation is become V square into sin delta by x plus V into VC by x into cos delta by 2. VC is your compensated voltage which is injected by the triple SC. So this is the simple control diagram. Triple SC inject the voltage. Again, the current is measured according to the controller and the degree of compensation is provided. That signal is given to the multiple converter that again change the voltage magnitude and inject into the transmission line. This is a closed loop control of a triple SC controller. So normally the triple SC output voltage lags behind the line current by 90° to provide the effective series compensation. In addition, the triple SC can be gated to produce an output voltage that leads the line current by 90°, which provides additional inductive reactance in the line. This feature can be used for damping power swings and if the converter has adequate rating for limiting short circuit currents. This is also the controlling diagram of triple SC if it is connected at the sending end bus. So the wall side voltage rating is higher than the line side voltage rating of the coupling transformer to reduce the required current rating of the gate turn-off thyristor valves. Here the gate turn-off thyristor valves are used. The wall side winding is delta connected to provide a path for third harmonic to flow. Solid state switches are provided on the wall side to bypass the voltage source converter during the periods of very large current flow in the transmission line or when the VSC is inoperative. The basic DC voltage for conversion to AC is provided by the capacitor and the DC-AC conversion is achieved by pulse width modulation technique. The DC capacitor rating is chosen to minimize the ripple in the DC voltage and the MOV which is installed across the capacitor to limit its voltage and provide the protection to the valves. So the triple SC has the three main advantages. First one is the introduction of desired series reactive compensation. It may be either capacitive or inductive. It is used for damping of power swing oscillation and enhancement of transient stability. Control of current in the triple SC compensated line. So the line current IL and the triple SC terminal voltage VT are measured together with the bus frequency or the line power flow, which can either be measured directly or calculated from IL and VT measurements. And the desired triple SC reactance is set by reactance reference to the, which is called the ZR. ZR means the impedance reference. The triple SC acts as a voltage source in synchronism with the system voltage. The magnitude and the phase angle of which can be controlled by voltage reference input of VDR and VQR. The signal VQR regulates the triple SC output voltage component in correlation with the line current. If it thus determines the amount of reactive compensation introduced in the transmission line. So the reactance reference ZR is modulated with bus frequency or line power signal to generate ZR, which when multiplied with the RMS line current IL result in the signal VQR. Thank you.